lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. Sadly, today we're going to be doing some gross things, and by that I mean we are going to be taking out some of my white heads. And I just found this really cool way to take it out. It's quite inexpensive. It's probably things you have at home. So I'm just going to be showing you some before pictures, and these are the gross white heads that I have on my face. They are quite disgusting, but I just have to show you so that it proves my point when I show you the after pictures. So we're just going to go right into the video, and I have two plies or two sheets of kitchen towel here, and I have gone ahead to cut them into triangles. I also have some egg whites. Actually, this is just from one egg, and I will be applying that with this flat brush from my Zoe collection. So without any much delay, I'm just going to be dipping the brush into the egg whites, and I'm going to be applying that to my face. Okay, I'm sure a lot of people are bothered about the smell of egg, but I promise you, you get over it quite easily. I mean, it's a small price to pay for the amazing results that you'll see. So after I apply the first layer of egg whites on my face, I'm just going to go ahead and start layering the tissue on my face. Okay, so if you're new here, please consider subscribing and click on the bell notification icon so that you always get notified every single time I upload a new video. I promise you, it is not always this disgusting. I do a bit of everything here on this channel, from mom vlogs to DIY videos, DIY hairstyles. I do a bit of vlogging, and I also do a bit of gardening. So please stick around, and I promise you I'll make it worth your while. So I'm just going to keep layering the tissue on my face, and I think I went around 2 times. I made it as thick as possible because I felt like it was too thin with just the one layer, so I kept going and going until I exhausted both sheets of kitchen towel. You could decide to make this as light as you want, but I just went with a full 2 sheets of kitchen towel paper. Now, to be perfectly honest, this didn't just seem like a peel-off mask anymore. I was just having fun with the brush and the egg whites. It just seemed like I was trying to cover up every bit of my face with the tissue paper. Also, I would like to add that you might want to avoid areas like your eyebrows and your baby hairs. Take it from me, you do not want those hairs stuck in the mask. Okay, so eventually I ran out of tissue paper, and it was time to just let my face dry.
1 hour later.
Okay, that 1 hour felt like 10 hours, but anyways, the mask is dry now, and I'm about to take it off. So you can see the egg whites that I've dried up around my jaw area, and you want to make sure that as you're pulling off the mask, you're pulling it up from your chin towards your forehead. You want to make sure that you're pulling it up in a upward position. I was struggling with the mask, I'm sure you can tell. Alright, so it came off quite easily. It wasn't so painful. My pain threshold is quite high, so it might be different for you. My face felt soft, you guys. I kid you not. I could literally feel my pores open up. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash my face right now, and I'll be back. Okay, so here I am. My face is washed. Can you see how shiny my nose is? I'm going to move up close so that you can see all of the pores and how my pores have opened up. I still can't get over how soft my face is. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in now and show you a before and after picture. Can you see that the white heads have completely gone away? I couldn't stop touching my face throughout the day. I'm sure you can tell. I will definitely recommend this treatment to anyone who is looking to probably just have a spa day by yourself and take care of yourself. Get rid of all the gunk on your face that you really can't see. And I'm just going to show you what came off in the mask. So these are my white heads and black heads. I didn't even know I had black heads. but they were all there, and I'm just going to zoom in. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, like this video, share it with someone who needs a spa day, especially now that we are all indoors. And I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye, guys.